My name is Cathy Sabater, mortgage planner and proud veteran. I'm here back again. We're going to do tax tip 101 with our nationwide Chris Cherico. Hey, Chris.
Hi, Cathy. Thank you for having me.
No problem. So what we want to do is we want to give you a tip every week, one for personal tax returns and one for business. So for personal, Chris, what would be one of the most important things for people doing their personal tax returns?
Filing status, Cathy. You'd be surprised how often they get it wrong.
I can imagine, because I've seen some where they start out at head of household, then they go married filing separate, then they go, no, I'm unmarried and single. So yes, it does make a big difference. So with that, when you're saying that if you are, especially because we have a lot of blended families, right?
Mm-hmm.
So with blended families, we'll talk about that in a little bit, but what is your status in regards to head of household, right? Because that could be part of your change, right, in your status.
Absolutely, yeah. If you're no longer married and you have a child, you could be head of household. So that's a very big difference than filing as single or married filing separately.
Got it. So any of those individuals, because most people like to get, divorced by the end of the year for whatever reason. Now we know why, Chris. Why is it that people want to make sure they get divorced by the end of the year?
Absolutely, a higher standard deduction. It has its perks.
Well, Chris, thank you for your tip 101. And what did we learn from tip 101 for personal is
filing status. Know what
filing
it
status.
is.
And now for businesses, what's one of the most important things that businesses should know when they're filing their taxes?
To make sure that you're not commingling your funds.
Commingling, what does that mean?
That means when you're using your business bank account to pay personal expenses, or you're paying business expenses out of your personal account.
So what you're saying is that you keep your business accounts with your business expenses, with your everything, that even if you get money in, you should keep everything in your business side.
Absolutely.
Right. Which is interesting because we talked about Schedule Cs before, where you have one tax return. And I think maybe that's one of the reasons why they may be doing that. So you're recommending that they do what?
They have a separate business account than their personal account, and they pay business expenses from the business account, personal from the personal account.
Great. Well, thank you for your time and your tax tip 101. Chris, how can they reach you?
919-302-0336. Thank you, Cathy.
You're welcome. Stay safe, everyone.